Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Eyes Open 1, Unit 3, Lesson 17, Schooldays.
Welcome to Eyes Open 1, Presentation Plus A1 Learners, designed especially for 7th grade. Open up your student books. Unit 3, School Days. Student Book, page 35. Language Focus 1, Can, for Ability and Permission. Section 1. Complete the examples from the text on page 34. Section 2. Write sentences with I can and I can't. Use the ideas below and add your own ideas also. Say it right. Listen and choose the option you hear. And then listen and repeat the sentences.
CD 1, Track 29. Listen and choose. 1.
I can't hear you.
2. She can come for dinner. 3.
Pablo can't help you with your homework.
4. They can count to 20 in French. 5.
Can you wear jeans at school?
Section 3. Work with a partner. Ask and answer the questions in Exercise 2. Section 4. Write sentences about your partner's abilities. Section 5. Write about things you can and can't do at home and at school. Use the ideas below and write your own ideas. Do this exercise in your notebooks. I look forward to seeing your notebooks. Section 6. Work with a partner. Ask and answer questions about the information in Exercise 5. Now pause the video and resume for your corrections. Once you have corrected, enjoy Kung Fu School.
Kung Fu School. This is China. Songshan is a very old town in the mountains. This is Songshan's famous traditional Kung Fu school, and this man is a Kung Fu teacher. His name is Master Li Yu. These boys are his students. They always practice outside in the mornings. They sometimes practice traditional Kung Fu movements with water. It's a difficult exercise, and the water is often very cold. They practice traditional Kung Fu movements with a partner. They can fight with sticks and swords. And they can fight with just their hands. The school isn't very big. There were only 30 boys here. Master Li Yu teaches them the correct movements, but fighting is only one small part of this school. Students also learn about life. Every day at 12, they eat lunch together. This is Xiao Sui. In the afternoon, he practices alone. He can break a brick with his hand. He's got a strong body and a strong mind too. The Kung Fu school in Songshan has some great students. They learn how to fight and how to live.
Object versus subject pronouns. Notice that subject pronouns for singular is I, you, he, she, it. Plural, we, you, they. And object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it. Singular. Plural object pronouns are us, you, them. Go ahead and write these two charts in your notebooks. Student Book, page 37, Language Focus 2, Object Pronouns, Section 1. Complete the examples from the listening on page 36. Section 2. Match the object pronouns in the box with the subject pronouns. Section 3. Look at the sentences from the listening on page 36. What do you notice about the form of the second verb in A through C? Section 4. Write complete sentences that are true for you. Section 5. Read the quiz. Choose the correct answers for you. Write one more example for each section. Pause the video and resume after you have completed page 37 for your corrections. Workbook, page 28. Language Focus 1. Can for ability and permission. Section 1. Circle the correct words. Section 2. Write can or can't and the verbs in the brackets. Notice the first one is done for you. Section 3. Write questions with can and the correct answers. Section 4. Put the words in the correct order to make questions and then answer the questions for you. Notice again there is an example done for you. Section 5. Circle the correct words, nouns and verbs. Workbook, page 30. Language Focus 2. Don't like, don't mind, love, hate. Plus the gerund, ing. Section 1. Put the verbs in the correct box. Section 2. Circle the correct words in the grammar table. Section 3. Write sentences with the prompts. Section 4. Object pronouns. Write the correct object pronoun under each picture. Section 5. Like, love, don't mind, hate plus object pronoun. Answer the questions with like, love, don't mind, hate, and an object pronoun. Number 1 is done for you. Section 6. Adjectives. Try to improve your writing by using sentences with adjectives. Complete the blog with the sentences in the box. Section 7. Complete the sentences with your own ideas. Then tell your partner. Workbook, page 98. Language Focus. Extra. Can for the ability and permission. Section 1. Write sentences using can. Section 2. Write questions using can and the pronouns in brackets. Section 3. Write the section sentences in the negative form. Number 1 is done as an example. Section 4. Use the information in the table to write questions and short answers. Again, number 1 is done for you to follow as an example. Section 5. Complete the sentences with the gerund ing form of the verbs in brackets. Object pronouns. Section 6. Circle the correct words. Section 7. Complete the sentences with the object pronouns in the box. So go ahead and finish your exercises, and I look forward to seeing you in the next unit.
Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.